Hello everyone, my name is Rehan and I am a student of Callannie School Islamabad Foundation University. So today my topic is sky. The topic is very easy, but wait. So today my new topic is sky, the word that stretches behind horizons.
You're really sticking with the sky theme, huh? I'm down if you are. What's the new angle we're taking on this?
Okay, so my first question is, what does the word sky means and why is the sky important to life on Earth?
We actually just covered this a second ago, but since we're doing a reboot, the sky is basically everything above the Earth's surface. It's the atmosphere that keeps us from floating off into the void. As for
Okay.
why it's important, it's our literal life support system.
So next question,
It
what
blocks
gives the sky a blue color and why does the sky change color during sunrise and sunset?
round two on the blue. Got it. It's all about Rayleigh scattering. Sunlight hits the atmosphere, and the shorter blue wavelengths get scattered in every direction, which is why it looks blue when you look up. During
Okay.
sunrise and sunset, the light has to travel through way more of the atmosphere to reach you, so the blue gets filtered out, leaving
What is
those reds and
behind the
oranges.
sky and is the sky the same everywhere on Earth?
Behind the sky, you've got the great void of space, just a whole lot of vacuum, stars, and galaxies. As for whether it's the same, mostly yeah, but it depends on where you're standing. If you're at the equator, the stars look different than if you're at the North
Why
Pole.
do clouds
Plus,
form
things like
in the sky and how do rainbows appear in the sky? What causes lightning in the sky?
clouds basically just drift wherever the wind pushes them like giant pieces of cotton candy in a breeze. Rainbows happen when sunlight hits raindrops and bends or refracts, creating that spectrum of colors. And lightning, that's just a massive static discharge. Ice and water droplets and clouds bumping into each other build up an insane amount of electrical charge, and eventually
Why
it
do
just snaps and
clouds
bolts to the
form
ground.
in the sky and how do rainbows appear in the sky?
We're looping back to the rainbows again. I see. Clouds form when water vapor in the air cools down and condenses around tiny bits of dust, turning into those floating droplets. And for the rainbows, it's that mix of reflection and refraction, basically, raindrops acting like millions of tiny prisms that split the sunlight into all those colors.
What causes lightning
You're
in
really
the
digging.
sky and why do stars appear only at night?
Lightning's basically just a giant spark of static electricity. Um, when ice and water particles in a storm cloud crash into each other, they build up a charge. When it gets too intense, it snaps, boom, lightning.
Okay.
As for the stars, they're actually there all day, but the sun is so blindingly bright that it washes them out.
Why
Once the
cannot
sun
we
dips,
see stars clearly during the day?
you can't, unfortunately. The sun is just way too loud, visually speaking. It fills the sky with so much light that the faint glow from distant stars just disappears. You'd need some serious equipment or a total eclipse to see them while the sun is up.
Where what is atmosphere and why and where does the sky and space begin?
The atmosphere is basically the blanket of gases that wraps around the planet. It's what gives us air to breathe and keeps the temperature from swinging wildly between freezing and boiling. As for where the sky ends and space begins, we're
Okay.
officially in the void.
So next question. What is the highest layer of the atmosphere?
That would be the exosphere. It's the very edge of our atmosphere,
Exosphere.
where the air is so thin that molecules can just
What
drift
sphere?
off into
Exosphere.
same as what? Yeah, the exosphere is its own thing. It's the final frontier before you're just drifting in the deep black. You thinking it's similar to another layer or just
Okay.
confirming?
So next question. Why do airplanes fly in the sky and how do birds stay in the sky?
Airplanes use lift, which is basically just the shape of their wings, forcing air to move faster over the top and the bottom, pushing them up. Birds do something similar by flapping to create both lift and thrust, though they've got the advantage of being way more agile. It's pretty cool. It's pretty dope how nature figured out the physics before we did.
Okay, so next question. Uh, does the sky
You want to
and
dive more into
sands?
how flight works, or are we moving
So
on?
sorry. What are the different layers of the atmosphere, and why is the ozone layer important?
Coming at this from a full map perspective now.
Yes. How does the sky protect life on Earth, and
I
what
like
role
it.
does the sky play in
You've got
weather?
the troposphere where we live, the stratosphere, the mesosphere,
Hello.
the thermosphere. Without life clouds and rain, from space debris and radiation.
How does
It's
the
not
sky protect life
just
on Earth, and what role does the sky
I'm
play
still
in
here.
weather?
Was I getting too deep into the science, or did you have another question on the list?
Hello.
Sky is moisture around the globe, creating everything from a light breeze to a full-on hurricane. You want to know more about the wild side of weather, or you've got something else?
Okay, what causes the thunderstorm?
I'm listening.
What causes thunderstorm? Okay, thank you so much.